In this video, I will show you how you can have wave text showing up at any increased wave. Whenever the wave number change, it will show the wave number. As you can see, we are in wave 2, and if you destroy these two, let's see, and this one, no, we are in wave 3. And now if we destroy the wave 3, it will go to wave 4 and it will show it to us, right? Let's see how we can do that. Whenever we change the wave number, this increased wave will happen, and in that case, we want to let the wave counter widget blueprint, the UI, knows that the wave number has changed, and please announce it as well for us, right? So for doing that, in here, on this custom event that is called increase wave, whenever we change the current wave and we add to it, we want to call a event so everybody knows that we did change the current wave number. For doing that, we can create a event dispatcher. I want to call it update wave, right? And I can call it over here, just like this, call it. And now with that done, we want to pass the wave number to this event. And how we can do that? We can click on update wave and click on add to add a integer variable there. So change these to integer. By default for me it was integer, but for you it will be boolean, right? Now next thing, the name of it, I want to call it wave number, right? Now with that done, we can pass our current wave number to this event. If you hit compile, you can see there is an error in here that it says could not find a pin for parameter wave number to update. If you right click on this one and click on refresh node, you can see the name of this wave number will change, and now we can just connect these two here. If we hit compile, the error will be gone. Beautiful. Now that we are calling this event, we can go to our wave counter widget blueprint and on event construct, get that event to announce it, right? So first thing first, we want to get that event. And for getting that, first we need to get the actor of class, right? Get the actor of a class. The type should be a spawn manager, because in our level we have just one spawn manager. That's why it will give us that successfully, right? Now with that done, we can promote these to a variable so we have access to it everywhere. I can call it a spawner, right? And with this spawner, we can bind to its event. So we say bind to event update wave, right? Now with that done, it needs a custom event to be connected to. So we say custom, add the custom event, right? We want to call it update wave number, for example, or whatever you want to call it. Now we have access to wave number and we can announce it. So with this function, we can announce the wave number just like that. Now let's see if it works or not. If we go to our level and run, you can see in wave 1 nothing will happen, but on wave 2 it's happening and it's showing us the wave 2. Now let's just go to wave 3. It's showing us the wave 3 or not. There is two more. So then now we are in wave 3. You can see it's showing us successfully, but it's not showing the wave 1. For doing that, I want to go to a spawn manager. We have an event that we can call whenever we want. At the begin play, we are increasing the wave. What I want to do, you can see in here, after 2 seconds the meteor will start spawning. That's why I want to add a delay first in here. So add a delay of 2 seconds, just like that. Now after 2 seconds the wave will be increased. Now if we hit compile and run, let's just wait, the wave 1. Now you can see we have the wave number for the wave 1. Why it's happening like that? Because we are calling the event, but our wave counter widget blueprint is not ready yet. That's why we apply some delay in here. So our wave counter being created inside our WBP HUD in our player, BP player, right? After that, when we increase the wave, the announce wave will happen. That's it. Now you can see in all waves we have the wave number. After 2 seconds, we have wave 1. Beautiful.